In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Then select device name and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you're ready, hit OK and then select OK again in device name pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!